Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. Now let me tell you that unacademy is a platform that offers free special live classes to the students, and I host those free special live classes for company law and GIGL for all of you. But today I am here to announce two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 30th and 31st March, on the important topics. Yes, for specially CS executive students, I will be letting you know the important topics of the module 1 subject for June 2022. I host free special live classes daily at 7 p.m. I've already hosted two special live classes on important topics of JIGL and company law, and today, that is on 30th at 7 p.m. I will host the class of important topics of SBEC, and tomorrow at 7 p.m. on 31st March I will host the free special live class on important topics of tax. These classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock my session by using my code CSJAS. The class links to both the classes will be in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so you get a notification before my class begins. Other than that, unacademy offers awesome batches for CA, CS and CMA students. You can go and check those batches. A special Shikhar batch, a comprehensive batch, is going on for our CS executive students. You can find the link in the description box below. Make sure you check them once, and if you plan to get the subscription, then use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. Looking forward to all of you seeing you today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.